Hi guys, I'm Sarah Margaret with Home Renovations Carolina, and today we're going to be talking about renovations that add the most value to your home. So renovations can make us happier in our own home, but some renovations add more value than others when it's time to resell a home. Now, some renovations such as a kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel or a new deck can get kind of pricey, and that's why it's important to understand the value of certain renovations more than others when it comes time to resell your home. So today we're going to be taking a look at the best home renovations in 2021. The very first home renovation that is top on the list is a garage door replacement. A good looking garage door is very high on the list when it comes to getting cash back on your investment. The Curb Appeal Enhancer could get you back 93.8% of what you spent on it when you sell your home. Now, the average cost of this is $3,907, and the average resale value is $3,663, and the cost recouped is 93.8%. The next item on this list is a manufactured stone veneer. Replacing vinyl siding with stone veneer on part of your home, such as the entryway, can enhance your home exterior. This project can recoup a little bit more than 92% of its cost. The average cost of this is $10,386, and the average resale value is $9,571. And like I said, the cost recouped is 92.1%. The next item on this list is a minor kitchen remodel. Creating a modern looking and functional kitchen can add more than just value to your home. It can boost your enjoyment of everyday activities like cooking, entertaining friends, and sharing meals with your family. This is based on a 200 square foot kitchen where you might be replacing your old appliances with new, more energy efficient models. The average cost of this is $26,214, and the average resale value is $18,927, and the cost recouped is 72.2%. The next item on this list is fiber cement siding. Old siding can make even the nicest home look worn out. Replacing this is very important because you can get over 69% back on your resale. The average cost of this is $19,626, and the average resale value is $13,618. The next item on this list is vinyl windows. You can recoup around 69% of the cost to replace your current windows if you install low-E simulated divided light vinyl windows with a custom color exterior finish. Low-E means low emissivity energy saver. You still want to ensure that the trim exterior matches existing ones and that the interior trim is left untouched to keep costs within range. The average cost for this type of renovation is $19,385, and the average resale value is $13,297, and the cost recouped is 68.6%. The next item on this list is vinyl siding. A vinyl siding replacement can help freshen a home exterior and can be more budget-friendly solution compared to fiber cement siding. The average cost estimates with replacing 1,250 square feet of siding. So the average cost of this replacement is $16,576, and the average resale value is $11,315. The cost recouped is 68.3%. Now, home renovations can be very expensive, but the good news is there's ways that you can help pay for them. You should consider a home remodel or a home repair loan, which are unsecured personal loans you can get through a bank, credit union, or home lender. You can also use credit cards to cover your home repair loans, but the interest rates can be high. Mortgages can also pay for home renovations. You can also get a home equity loan or do a cash out refinance. So the bottom line is that home renovations can add to your enjoyment, but it can also boost your home's value over a period of time. A higher home value means you'll have more equity and a lower loan-to-value ratio. Likewise, when you go to sell your home, buyers are more likely to move into a clean, well-kept property with modern updates. You should make sure you have a clear understanding of what renovations have the highest returns for your money before you spend all your money on these renovations. Keep in mind though, some of the best home renovations for resale might not be the best fit for you. So I hope that you guys learned a little bit about some home renovations that get the best value. I'm Sarah Margaret with Home Renovations Carolina, and I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.